All right, what's up, guys? So it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. I hope you're spending time together, enjoying yourself. And I did this little unboxing video with my cell phone some time ago, probably like a month ago, before the Hartford Bridal Show. I wanted to just go ahead and share that with you because I just put up a Hartford Bridal Show video. So definitely, I'm gonna try to fast forward through like the boring parts or whatever, and it's hopefully it's nice. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you get to see some of the albums that I show the brides at the Hartford Bridal Show. These are albums that I have inside my studio, so when people come and visit, they have something to take a look at and whatever. All right, enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Peace. Got some albums, studio albums for. I'm gonna be going to the Hartford Bridal Show. So I ordered a couple albums, and I want to just open them on camera. Oh, this is making a lot of noise. Open them on camera, so. Can you see them together? Okay. The word inside is a little smaller. Let's see what we got. I think that order has about 25 pages on these. Alright, here we go. The first for them, they come in much bigger sizes. Oh, it's this way. So usually this is something that I'll do for like if you ordered like one of my luxury packages and you got the engagement album. So this is an engagement album size. Ooh, this looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Got Perfection Films on the back, Perfection Studios on the back. But look at that. Hey, look. Yep, so that's the crystal front. Let's take a look inside. Now, I could have actually changed here to be black instead. Oh my gosh, I love this. Even though it's blurry, I love this image. Black and white. Hmm? Yeah, oh. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so freaking nice. Oh man. Okay, so I did put a couple of different weddings in here. How many pages? I don't think this is 20 actually. I think this might be more. Oh, come on. Ooh, one of my favorite couples. Love this, love this. And the pages are thick. So these are like your regular pages. So, but it's like almost like cardboard. Not cardboard, I don't even want to diminish it by saying, but the print quality is beautiful. Man.
No regrets.
Huh?
No regrets.
No regrets. All right. Oh, I love this. See, if there is a piano inside the, anyways, I'm not gonna talk about that. All right, let's move on. Yeah, that's super nice. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go. Oh, all right. Nice package here. Ooh, ooh la la. Oh, there was no. Sweet. This one is a bit more simple, but it's got this really beautiful like red leather look to it. Has my company logo on the front, which of course, if you're getting the album, it you know, they put your name or whatever you want on there. Ooh, it feels so good in the hands. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels so good to hold. Let's see, this one, it might be a 8x8. Oh, oh, that's so nice. I love that. This is a very recent wedding. This is like a couple weeks ago. Man, I was killing these looks, man, I'm telling you. This is also a couple weeks ago. Got to. Oh my gosh, I love these. It looks so good. This happened earlier in the year, I forget when. Might have been May, April. The bride's name is... This was like a super beautiful couple. And because I had a lot of time with them, it was a small wedding, I had a lot of time, so I had plenty of time to come up with some great shots, and I think we nailed it. And look at this. Had the bubble machine in the back going. Oh man. Oh man. I'm telling you, I love the print quality on this. It's so good. Oh man. Come on. Are you kidding me? Yes. But it feels so nice. Why does it feel so good? New logo. All right, last but not least, I wanted to try a bunch of different sizes and also different textures. This is a fabric. It's like a fabric texture. It's really good though. It's got the Perfection films on the front. And it's actually, I don't know if you can see, it's actually like engraved in. I don't know if that's engraved or embossed or whatever, but it's actually like pressed in. It's not just like wet paint. It's not, you know, it's actually, there's a texture to it. Anyways, okay, so this one has the black, I forget what that's called, like an intro page. One of my favorite brides right here, man. She just went through so much stuff on her wedding day, and still yet she just came out looking, she just, yeah, we had great pictures. I loved it. Woo. Oh. Again, yeah, I just love the print quality. See, not every print, you guys see this a lot. It is one of my favorite pictures. I have it like all over, like all over my websites, all over my Instagram. Like the sun was just busting that day. Oh my gosh, they dominated most of this album. Can you see? There we go. It's a couple of friends of mine. Releasing doves, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and it was a backyard wedding too. So it's like, you can still have very beautiful images, even if you have a small wedding in your own backyard. Actually, I think that was in their parents' backyard, but yeah, some beautiful images regardless. And they didn't even want much. They just wanted something simple, but I was like, yo, you gotta step it up, man. You know, I'll always encourage you to take beautiful images, because this is the beginning of your life together, you know what I'm saying? So you want to have great keepsakes, fantastic heirlooms to pass down to your kids and stuff like that. Creating a legacy is what it's all about. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace. Again, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. If you didn't already, check out my video on the Hartford Bridal Show. Yeah, just see it. Just see it. All right, peace.